Let's take a look inside the career development plan for regular backend developers. This template helps backend devs and their managers plan clear growth paths and prepare for the next career stage. It starts by defining what success looks like at the next level for a regular backend developer, with clear expectations across technical skills, teamwork, and ownership. Next, it outlines the core focus areas, covering technical skills, architecture awareness, code quality, autonomy, domain knowledge, and collaboration. Each focus area comes with clear, actionable goals, so growth becomes measurable and trackable over time. We've included curated learning resources, books, courses, tools, platforms, and docs to support backend development mastery. Finally, it defines promotion readiness indicators, helping teams assess when a developer is ready for the next level. Use this plan during one-to-one sessions, career check-ins, mentorship programs, or self-driven learning. It fits naturally into your growth conversations. Get the full template on Gumroad and start structuring backend developer growth today.